Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an action group for the PC software to make JetHexa clap, and we can check the final effect of this robot performance first. Select clap and click run action. Click reset servo. Okay, I will show you how to edit this action group step by step. Firstly, add the first action. Set the time as 500. Then click Add Action to add the initial posture as the first action. Pay attention, whenever you finish editing an action, remember to click Add Action. Continue, adjust the value of ID 7, 8, 9, and 10 servos to leave the middle two less. Next, adjust ID 11 and 12 servo to let these two less to sync forward. For the fourth action, adjust the value of ID 7, 8, 9, and 10 servos again to put down these two less. To make the transition between actions more fluent, remain servo value unchanged by modifying the time as 200 to add a transitional action. Move on, modify these servos to leave the front two less. Set the time as 700. Come to the seventh action, set the time as 400, and then adjust the value of ID 5 and 6 servo to make the front two less closer. Following, separate these two less to make them act like clapping. And we need to make JetHexa's front two less approach and separate several times to make it clap. So for the ninth action, adjust the value of ID 5 and 6 servos to put the front less together. Next, separate the front two less. As the same, to make the transition more fluent, remain the servo value unchanged and set the time as 200. Continue, reset the front two less. and add this action as 12th action. Next, leave the middle to less and set the time as 800. After the legs are lifted, make these two legs swing backward. Set the time as 500. Lastly, put down the legs. Okay, this action group is complete, and don't forget to save the action files. Click this button to save the action group. Save the action group to the action set folder. After the action group is saved, you can find this action group in the drop-down menu. Okay, try to edit an action group by yourself.